Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add padding or margin on top of the page and bottom of the page for cart page, checkout page or my account page in WooCommerce WordPress. So this is our checkout page, but you don't see any space on top and bottom section. So we are going to add it by using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to target these three pages by using their ID. Now you see edit page, so click on it. Now you see post 8, so this is our ID 8 for checkout page. So you can find other pages ID also. Now back to page, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see main ID content site -main post 8. So we are going to use this post -8 and then we are going to add margin or padding on top and bottom. Now go to additional CSS. So we are going to add it. Now paste. So now we added post -8, margin top 40, margin bottom 40. So you can add padding also. Now you see class post -8. So you can add page ID number according to requirement. So you can add page ID number of checkout page, my account page or cart page. And you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to checkout page again and refresh the page. Now you see space added on top section and bottom section by using custom CSS. So you can add margin or padding on cart page, checkout page, my account page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.